Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? See. Vic says, hey, howdy, hey. The hammer has arrived. Righty. So, uh, I wanted to check out the market this morning and see what it was doing. Not, but no, I wanted. Oops. Okay, so S&P up 0.30%, Dow down 0.48, NSDAQ up 0.03, Shenzhen up 3.36, and Shanghai up 1.65. Uh, it says Nvidia's up by 3.85%. AVGO is up 9, almost 10. AMD, that one's up 2, almost 2.5. ARM up 9. RCL up 35%. Nice. Is that right? Did I read that right? Yeah. Let's take a peek at ORCL today. Yeah, we'll do it. Do it in the paper trade. And my lines are still black. I don't understand why they're showing up black for you guys. They should be green. They're green on my screen. Hmm. I wonder if I change them to a different color, if you guys would be able to see them. Appearance? I'll make them pink instead. Can you see that? Yeah, okay, so you can see that. What's wrong with the green? It's just not showing up. Oh, bet it's the green screen. Somehow. Doesn't make sense why it would do that, but that might be a thing. Okay, so we're gonna have to adjust it to a different color. I would prefer to use green, but I guess we can use a lighter shade of green. You still can't see those. Okay, well, you can see the lines now. Um, oh wait, I need to change one more thing. It's the background color. All right, and you guys can see that. Sweet. All right. Okay, so we are looking at ORCL. I'm actually going to put ORCL in the Discord since I'm looking at it. Let's see what else we want to take a peek at. Let's go back to our markets. And what else was there? Was another one that was up 35%. ARM, that might be one we'll look at today. No, it wasn't none of those. I'll go ahead and read these out while I'm looking for it. GEV up 6%. CEG, Constellation Energy, up 6%. DUK, 0.81, but that's not one that we were looking for. We were looking for the other one that was up. I thought there were two that was up 35%. Hey, what are you doing? CRV, CRWV. Let's take a peek at CRWV. Mm, it's fine. All right, 5 day, 1 month, 3 month. So this one is down from 3 months ago. Actually, down from a month ago, really. Um, so 1 year, but it's still up from last year, the 5 year. Okay, well, let's see if we can find something else that we want to look at. This one's up 16% though, so we should keep an eye on it. So right now we're just looking for shares that are not shares, for tickers that we want to keep an eye on today and watch out for a good time to jump in a trade. But I think the one that's caught my attention most this morning is Oracle. What's Quantum doing? 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Okay, so we're up from the 6 month technically. Are we back at? So we went back down to the peak 6 months ago. So that was our baseline, and it's like this stock is going up. Let's go back to the 1 day, stretch it out so I can actually see what I'm looking at. This one just kind of bounces all over the place, it looks like. Hey, View. How are you this morning? I don't know what I would do without the power of coffee. Okay, so let's get back to the paper trades. I'm gonna go ahead and post Oracle. I was gonna see if I could find another stock that I was interested in, but as of this very second, So let's check out my Bitcoin stocks that I have saved on here. Okay, so HUT is up 71, CLSK, okay, HUT is up 0.71%. CLSK is up 0.90, CEP is up 1.42, Wolf is up 1.04, Mara is almost up half a point, Um, IBIT is not quite half a point. MSTX up 0.96, COIN 0.88, CONL 1.67, MSTR 0.63, more than half point. And the last one I have on my list is Riot at 0.43. Mm, let's see what's going on in the oil and gas. Okay, so PBR uh, is up 3.49, SU is up 3.17, Oxy is up 3.14, CVE is up 4.67, VG is up 5.2. That's one we might take a peek at. VG, I'm unfamiliar with this one. DVN 3.53. TPL is 4.17. And then PR is up 3.42%. So it looks like the oil and gas is green in all of these areas, or for all of these tickers. YFP is up 6.7. So that's another one that I might take a peek at. What was the other one? It was VG and YFP. Just going through these quickly to see if I see. Oh, APA. SOC is up 22%. Let's take a peek at that. I want to go to paper trading. SOC. Siebel Offshore. Hmm. So let's go to the 5-day. Took a great big dip to 13, which came back. 1 month. 3 months. So it is back where it was. Uh, okay, so that is this year. Sorry, it is up or is back. It is back where it was. July. July. So a few months ago. Okay, so we were looking at the. What were we on the 3 month? Yeah. So let's look at the 6 month and the 1 year and the 5 year. Okay, so for the past few years, this stock has kind of stayed between $17 and $35. I'm gonna add this to my list. Um, oh, it's already on there. I wonder why it didn't show up at the top. Mm, there it is. Hmm. Alrighty, so we got Quantum up 5.13. So yeah, I think the ones of interest to us this morning are Oracle and Quantum. Mm, So we'll keep an eye on those two for trade today. Okay, so we got those up there. Let's go back to the markets. So we talked about crude oil a little bit. Whenever a few of the big tickers. So what else? Electric utilities, electronic equipment, metals and mining. Let's check out metals and mining. NEM's up 3.31. GFI's up 3.44. AU up 4.33. Tech is up 3.53. HMY is up almost 5%, 4.96. So it could easily hit 5%. CDE 4.26. EQX 7.94. HL, that's one's up 7.76. BTG 3.09. CLF 5.18. And EQX. Let's take a peek at EQX and HL. Yeah, EQX and HL. Okay, so Equinox Gold. By the name, one would assume that this is a gold company, but assuming doesn't always work out. So it's Equinox Gold. We're going to pull this up and we're going to check and see what this company does. I guess it's probably gold, but okay, so Equinox Gold is a mining and gold selling company. Says, I mean that comes from a less reliable source, so I won't say that. Equinox Gold. Let's pull up their website. And I know that you guys can only see the trading screen right now. Okay, so Equinox Gold is a company that produces in Canada. They're a gold, literal gold mining company. Okay, so moving on from that, we were curious and we got our answer. Mm, EQX. I'm gonna add this to my watch list. Well, let's check it out. Did I look at the 5-year yet? Mm, Started at 29, goes back to 10, Hit $2.35 at one point. What was that? Okay, about a year ago. No. Okay, so this stock could very well dip down to this at some point. Right now, um, it's moving up. It's got a little bit of buy interest, but like a little, not a lot. Yeah, anyway. And HL, that was the other stock I wanted to look at. Well, before we go, I'm going to save this to my list. And now we'll go to HL. Okay, okay. This one is all over the place. Okay, go to 1 day. That's too big. Can't see anything. The 5 day. Okay, so it's working its way up. 1 month, working its way up. 3 months. Okay. 6 months, 1 year. Okay, still up from a year ago. 5 years. So it would possibly have, oh no, 33. Okay. All right, so this stock is up for the year. Um, and all the other ones look kind of good on it. So I think this is actually the trade we might get into today. Okay. Mm, well, it's before 9:30, like a whole hour. Okay, so what did we go over the market? We went over gold shares. We went over oil and gas. Mhm. Software and IT services. Okay, well, there's a big ORCL, but we've already called out that one. Uh, CRWV, which we already called out, or already looked at. Reddit up 7.84. CLAR up 14.55. GTM up 8.06. INOD up 8.4. That's another one that I I feel like I've heard that one before. It's probably on my list. Let's go check it out. Yeah, Enodata. Yep. That's what I thought. Back to the market. Mm, SUPX is up 7.58. Ooh, DGNX, what are you doing? You're up 32%. Okay, so mm, 1 month. Okay, we're still up from the 1 month. 3 month, we're still technically, I think, up from 3 month. 6 month though, it's down. So in the last 3 months, this stock has been trading positive. Add this to my watch list. Um, That's cool. I can put a heat map on other areas. Okay, need another drink of coffee. Give me just a couple minutes, guys, and I will be right back. Okie dokie, guys, we are back. Something that I can go over, are earnings and dividends. Um, so I am unfamiliar with a few of these companies, but I'm just going to read them anyway, just in case somebody else is interested. So G paid a dividend share of 17, EX date 9/11. Okay, so they're going to pay a share of 17. The EX date is 9/11, payment date 9/25. FNV is going to pay 38 cents per share, EX date 9/11, so today. And pretty sure all of these are today. Yep, so all of these are for today. So I'm going to skip that part because we already know. Okay, so VSH is going to pay us um, 10 cents. Yeah, they're going to pay 10 cents. ADT saying they're going to pay about 5 cents. Medical prop is paying 8 cents. REG is paying 70 cents. What's REG doing? Just out of curiosity, we want to go to custom. REG, no, G. There we go. Well, hello. I am going to post that in the Discord though, because that might be worth it. Let's go back, make sure I'm properly informing everyone. So that was REG, 911, 10.2. So we'll go back to custom. Oh wait, I want to finish typing this. All right, so let's go back to our divvies, our list of divvies. Okay, so MCY is paying 31 cents, MDU is paying 14, CIVI is paying 5 cents, SR is paying 78, BR is paying 95, or not 95, 97. Sorry. Okay, so SR and BR. I'll post those too, but I wanted to scroll down some more. CTO is paying, oh wait, we skipped PINE. PINE is paying 28 cents, CTO is paying 38 cents. And all of these ex-dividend dates are for today, so far. Okay, we're gonna check out UNH here in a minute. But I just want to see if there's anything paying good divvies. Yeah, so NDSN, BR, and SR. Pay date is, where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. 9/25. Declaration date 8/28. Okay, so oh, oops. Ah, this morning came too quickly or not soon or not fast enough. I'm not sure. S&P, S&P index at 0.3%, or 0.30, sorry. Cat just opened my door like a person. Acts like he needs the whole thing open. Okay, so let's go to the paper trades. We were gonna look at, did I add this to my watch list? Okay. We were gonna look at UNH. Hello. I see what she was talking about. 823. He messed up my green screen. Almost. Little brat. I'm just kind of watching and seeing what the other buyers are doing, or the other traders are doing. 100, 200, 200. So that's the first bigger bidder. So 48 might get it for 47.90. 48.50 might get it before 47.90, but I'm not sure. Oh, 48.30? Nope. So 330, 300. $3.48 even. Well, this is a paper trade. We can use this as a learning experience. We'll wait for a good time to hop in here. It's breaking one of my rules. It's before 9:30, but this will give us a chance to play around with the 8:30 market. Unless we see something else that we want to put time into. Do you want to look at resolve? 5 day. Hit $7. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. So it all looks good for the past 6 months. Starts to dip down from the 1 year. See 5 year. How much did it go? 14? $7.19 was the high, and I guess this would be the low because it's been going up. for the most part since open, or since yesterday. We're still up from yesterday, so that's a good sign. So, all right, let's go back to UNH. That was what we were looking at before, I believe. It was UNH. Yes, it was United Health Group. I think that's group. Okay, so we're uh, so we're at 49, 49.87. So you're at 1200 at 348.10. To put it right. So that bid's right there. I'm probably not going to get that though. We're just going to get a small since he has $346 a share. So we'll do at least 50. No. 949. I said 949. I meant 349. That's not what I wanted. For 350.04. I'm gonna do a couple of paper trades this morning. Um, and then if at 9:30 the market's doing something cool, I'm gonna switch over to regular trade and do a uh, real money trade. I'll stop it. Okay, so where would I put my stop loss? Mm, if I bought in here, I probably would have put my stop loss somewhere around like right here. Okay, we said we would put our stop loss here, so if it continues to hang out here, we're just gonna drag it down and sell. Oh, okay, fine. Well, give it a second, but not too long. Since I am trading without a stop loss, I'm kind of simulating a stop loss trade. I could stay in this, but if I were trading with my securities in place, I would not still be in this trade. So, but now it's actually starting to go up, so I think I'm gonna hold on. But I had totally intended to sell it as if it had kicked me on a stop loss. Come on, go back up. You know you want to. Just gonna put that there for right now. Okay, so that might come back up. Let's pull back up to 350 again. See what it does. 348.7. Buy dips until it stops working. Just be protective. Are you in any trades right now, Bu? I need to check the 5 minute because I have not been looking at that. It'd be cool if this wasn't yellow. You guys just can't see it if it's green and they're all black. I was still up on the 3 minute, or not 3 minute, the 5 minute. Okay, so let's look back at our trade. Okay, I think it's working its way back up. Slowly, but I might be able to get 350 out of it. Not as long as I can make a little bit off of it, I'll be happy. Low point, low point. Yeah, so it looks like the low points are getting higher, so I'm happy with that. I'm just gonna watch, see what happens. Okay, wait. I was about to say, don't make me a liar. I need a emote for that. Come on. All right, so right now, it's not wanting to, for the last couple minutes, has not wanted to break 348.90. But looking at these candles right here, I see it's trending upwards. So as long as that, and make me a liar, why don't you? So I was gonna say, as long as that doesn't change, we'll make our money back. Ugh, there is not enough coffee for today. And it's not the stocks. I like the stocks. Ooh, there we go. 351. So, really? Get that? I'm gonna be a chicken and not push it all the way to 351, but I'll push it 378 maybe. Just right up. Go on. Just you can do it. Pew. Uh, uh, okay. Just to show how great Lori is. Um, she said UN 351R, and it is going up, and it may hit 351. She's always got some good call outs to check out in there. Okay, so we're still going up. Let's check the 5 minute and see how that's looking. The 5 minute right here looks a lot less uh, optimistic. Right here looks better. Now let's go to the 2 minute. It's still up on the 2 minute. Yeah, quite close. Oh, I apologize. My eyes are just about to water. Okay, so we're at 349.50. We want 350.77. So we have made profit here. We could sell here, but we're gonna trust Lori and we're not gonna. But selling right now wouldn't be a bad idea, of course. Come on. And if this didn't get play out exactly how she said, or exactly how it was put, I wouldn't be disappointed or think any less or anything like that. You know, anything can happen in the market. You just do what you can to get the best, most accurate information and work with it. So what is it? She said 351.71 is the resistance. So hopefully it'll break that. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Keep going. So as this stock continues to, go straight up, I'll just keep moving this up. But I have it set right here for now just in case it shoots up real quick and then drops back down. 50, let's go to, right now we are going to go to 51. 51.20, that's fine. It's trading at 49.38. The last buy was 49, sorry, not 38, 83. 49.83. Now we're 49.50. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm being a little bit quiet, just kind of watching it. Okay, well, let's kind of scroll down a little bit and see what quantum is doing. 349.80, 349.75. I guess the quantum's at 1617. Um, Oracle is at 328.33. I think it's gonna hit resistance. I don't know if it'll break, but I think it's gonna hit. I'm sorry. You always say the stocks are gonna do. It's gonna break resistance. Right, hang on at 349.85. 85's getting it. 88 and 90 should get it soon. It's getting close. There, 90 got it. 95. Go 349.95. $349.90. It's mm, keeps going back and forth above and below 349.90. I want to check something else out, but I know I should stay watching this trade. Although we have already made our green, so we could always sell out and then move on to something else. That is an option. We don't want to wait for it to break resistance. We can always buy in, back in later. All right. I think I'm wanting to move on to something different, so I'm just gonna move it down here so we can make some profit off of it. Is that close enough? I can't tell. There we go. It is starting to dip. Oh, I misspoke earlier. When I read what Lori was saying, she was saying that that was the resistance. She wasn't saying that she didn't say specifically that it would break resistance, but she was pointing out where the resistance line was. I didn't want to make it seem like she said something she didn't. But the fact that she's interested in the stock at all is, is good. Aw, come on, you were just there. Well, the question is how badly do I want to move on to something else? That might have been a bad move, but we did it anyway. Do we want to keep going up? No, we'll just leave it where it is. Just leave it where it is. See what happens. I feel like it's gonna sell here in a second. I'm at 350.03, 349.95, 49.82, 81, 90, 98, 90. I will bring this down to 350, though. Okay, I'm being a little impatient. Um, like I said, I've made green, so honestly, any of this is it's fine. Is that right? 49.91, 49.90. Said to sell 349.90, so I should sell that in just a minute. Ugh. That's why, huh? I'm silly. Mechanical error. Okay. I did not set it to good till cancel. 350.05, we're at 3. Yeah, there we go. What? What? I don't. So we've got another buy. Must have submitted too. Okay, so it is almost broken resistance again, or is it almost to resistance? Well, I mean, I guess I should word that carefully because you know it's 350.79, 350.87. It's 9 o'clock. ADBE announces earnings today after market close. It was yesterday. Okay, well we watched that one. I want to see. Look at Resolve again, but I actually want to look at it on my own platform or my own trading account. Make the screen bigger. In one day. Okay, so Resolve is trading at uh, oh crap, the stuff has moved. Okay, so it's trading at 660, 659. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. We just need to see what it does when the market opens. Let's look at the callouts. Let's check out ETHA. It's a 33. One by volume, 39. Let's check out FLOC, Floco Holdings. See, it's trading at 15.97. Let's go back to the market and take another peek at that. Okay, look like none of that's changed. Don't know if that changes throughout the day or if it's a once daily. I figured it would change throughout the day, but anyway, moving on. So let's go to my watch list. Okay. It's like Meta's down, Baba's down. Baba was up yesterday. BABA, sorry. ASML's down. PEP is down. FedEx is down. There's quite a few things down. CAT is up. MU is up by 3.52. Occidental Petroleum is up by 3.14. The ticker for that's OXY. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so as far as uranium companies go, CCJ is up 2.69%. UEC is up 4.22%, and XE is up 1.78%. LEU is up 64.64%. URG is up 2.4. That's less impressive. Our UROY is up 2.18. Never heard of that one. EU is up 1.74. So let's take a look at UEC. Just out of curiosity. Keep clicking the long button. Say I thought it was UEC. Yeah. All right. So one day. Day. 1 month. 3 month. 6 month. 1 year. 5 years. Okay. A post. Alrighty, it's 9:09. See if anything happens at the 9:30 here in a minute. So we're just kind of checking out the market real quick. I'm gonna grab myself another drink, and I'll be just a couple of minutes. I'm gonna leave the chart up so you guys can see what's going on with UEC. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can, actually see what's going on. I'll leave it on the 1 minute because it moves faster. Okay, I will be right back. There we go. Okie dokie, guys, I'm back. It is 9:14, so we got about 15 minutes till 9:30. I saw that we had some chat that I didn't read. Um, Live Trader says UNH waiting for a dip buy, and Trader Z says good morning all. Anyway, hi Trader Z. So while we're thinking about it, let's look at UNH and see what it's doing. United Health Group. It's one that we peeked at earlier. Okay, so it's currently trading at 349.65. Mm, it's got 100, 349, 200, 348.65, 1129 at 348, and then you got 200 at 347. And on the sell side, we got 200 at 349.50, 300, 349.90, 300, 350.48, and 1,000 at 351 even. Okay, let's go back to um, let's rely, but I don't see it up here now. RELI, sorry. No, it wasn't REI, it was Resolve. That's the one we were looking at. Okay, 666. Where's our volume at? So, it doesn't say it has a lot of, this only has 4,000 units volume. 4,000 in volume, yeah, sorry world. So let's pull up our Thinkorswim and we'll check the volume on that as well. So let me switch into Thinkorswim. There we go. So when I was last on it, I had the heat map up. ANET up 6.21%. Oracle, we already knew Oracle was up. GEV is also up 6.25. CEG, Constellation, is up 6.38. We already called that. VST, I don't recall calling this one out. Is up 7.96. And we want to go to our trade and we want to put in our ZLV resolve. This doesn't say as much volume in it either. I'll have to see what the 9:30 brings. I need to switch that. You know what? Move this over. There. There. Okay. Now let's go back to Weeble. And pull up Weeble. Okay, I mean, we'll have to see what happens in 9 minutes. If there's a bunch of volume in, we may get into resolve, but let's look for something else. I was looking at one on Thinkorswim, which I'm just going to pull up real quick. It's not ANET, it was VST. That was what we wanted to look at. Okay. The 5-day. All right, up on the 5-day. Recovered on the 1 month. Almost recovered on the 3 month. But up on the 6 month. And up on the 1 year. Hey, a year ago it was $74 to buy VST. Alright, go back to resolve. Back to 1 day. Alright, so we're following our rules. We're waiting till 9:30 to see what it does. Can switch to my Bitcoin watch list. Heads up 0.94. CLSK is up 0.30%. IBITs up 0.08. CEP is up 1.97. I need a drink. My mouth is just so dry. Actually, I'm gonna drink some water. Maybe that'll help. Okay, where was I? IBIT is up 17%. CEP's up 1.97. Mara's up 0.25. MSTR is up. Oh, hey, that's just switch. And again. So MSTR is up somewhere between 26% and 46%. It's fluctuating. Let's look at that. What's going on here? It's moving. Where's your volume at? That low volume too. And back to where we were. COIN is up 0.69%. MSTX is up 0.48. C1L is up 1.13%. And I don't think I read it off right, but right is down pre-market by 0.49%. And then going back to the regular stock list so we can see what's going on, going to resolve at 677. So I was watching it here. I could have made profit here. We'll probably jump in here in just a minute. 4 minutes, guys. 4 minutes. Let's take, well, I'm going to take a peek at the Discord and see what's going on. Mm, Did I type UE? Did I type that wrong? I was just explaining this call out for UEC that I made. Because it's a uranium company. So UPS is going down, but now it's coming up. Yeah, I see. I see. Okay, so apparently this is something like a record low. How to word this? Apparently it hasn't been this low since around the time of COVID. So we can actually, yeah. Mm, let's see, 2022. Yeah, no, it's definitely lower. It's definitely lower than it was during COVID. So yeah, she's right. Hasn't hit 66 like it did over here, but and so if this is one that you like having, perhaps would be a good time to buy. You know, always use caution. There's the bell. It's 9:30. Let's go back to, was it resolve? Oh, hey, look, it's Alexon. Mm, let it go. Yeah, I saw it. It's moving on me. Okay, so it's up 4%. Ah, um, 60. It's gonna buy 10 units of it. 64. Okay, so stop loss, take profit, day trading's fine, DTC, and check it all. 664, 667, 655. Let's go. Oh, that's volume. Shoot. I need to move my paper trading chart over so I don't keep getting these two charts mixed up. 665, 670. She's taken off. I may not catch her. Don't want to get FOMO though. 80. HL 52-week high. We were looking at that earlier. Go sec 678. Put in a buy. Spread this out. 81, 80, 79. What's the volume at? 35. Okay, so we'll go. This is gonna. I may not catch this. I don't want to play that. I don't want to play the chasing game. Ah, son of a biscuit. Oh, don't be a brat. 90. Go a little further up past my stop loss or past my buy-in, please. so I can adjust my stop loss upward. Just like right there. And then continue on, of course. So SERV might be one to check out. Well, it is apparently flying. I'm not looking at it right now because I'm actually in this trade with my own capital and I care about that. So I'll look at it in a minute. Ooh, look at you go. Just keep going. No, no, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. No, no, don't do it. Don't do it. No, I got stopped out. Okay. Okay, guys. Well, we made money. Let's record our trade. Okay. Well, I wish I hadn't got stop lossed out, but that is okay. So we were wanting to look at serve. Now we're not in a trade anymore. I mean, oh my, wow, $50? No way. Wait, I'm looking at weeks. Okay, I need to go back to days. Okay, I was gonna say, like, for a second, I thought it went from, I thought it was like a difference of 5 and $50, but I was looking at the wrong chart. But I only believed it for a second. Serve is moving up. Okay. I'll get into this trade, but I'm gonna switch over to paper. We'll do it in here. Okay, so now since we're on this trade, hundreds, put as a share. Okay, so it's going C1's 64, 59. Let's go try to go in at 11:59, see if we can get it. Oh, nah. Hate that it does that. No, 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 no. Okay, canceled it out. Cool. All right, now let's actually do that right. Um, is that 62? And sell 1167. All right. I'll write this trade down while I'm doing it. That way I don't have to. No, don't do that. Just wait. Need to be able to back out if it all goes sour. 1159, 1161. No, I bought it on a red candle. Let's look at the 5 minutes. It's still green in the 5 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. That one's red, but okay, so we are here. I want to sell here. But I think the more reasonable sell would be there at 1166. Just whoop and make me happy. Come on. Don't do me like this. Okay, fine. One more. And then you take mine. Ah, and we're out. Okay. So we made profit on that one. Okay, so let's go to, I'll just pull up the market again. Okay, S&P up 26%. Okay, yeah, so it does change throughout the day. That's what I thought. I didn't want to say that and be wrong though, because it hadn't changed over like past couple hours. Um, all right, so S&P is up 26 to 27%. It's fluctuating. Dow Jones is up 48%. NSDIQ is up 16 to, okay, so it's sitting at 16 right, 15. Ah, I know it's tiny, but if you guys could see it, just, I said 16 and I waited for it to change and it didn't. And then as I go to move on to the next one, it just changes again. Okay, NSDIQ is now up 0.11%. Shenzhen is up 3.36%, and Shanghai is up 1.65%. Okay, let's take another quick peek at oil and gas. PBR up 3.49%, SU up 3.17, Oxy up 3.14, VG 5.12, Venture Global. Venture Global. APA, I think I called this one out earlier. Up 7.53. I know I called some of these out earlier. MTDR at 4.61%. CHRD up 3.3. Oh, what happened? That was scary. Okay, so in seconds it all changed. Everything I just told you is inaccurate now. BBR is down 0.43%, SU is down 0.38%, Oxy is down 0.48%, VG is down 1.43%, CVE is up 0.03%, TPL is not up or down. DVN 1.35%, PR. Okay, that one disappeared on me. YPF. Oh, PR just moved. Okay, yeah, so in a second a lot of those went red, but they're some of them are turning green, so that's it might make a turnaround. Let's uh let's take a look at my custom settings and I want to take a peek at an AK. Okay, so NAK, let's pull you up. What are you doing? There you go. Give you one. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, so NAK's just kind of been hanging out between 94 and 80. No, I mean it spikes a little bit. No, that's still not higher than 94. Maybe 95, I guess you call 94 90. 0.9490. Um, okie dokie, guys. Well, it is a little bit early, but I've already gotten into 3 trades, and I do have some things that I have to do later today. But I'll be back on tomorrow, starting at 7:30, and I'll stream till 10:30 or, longer, depending on how long it takes me to get in and out of the trades. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming and hanging out with me and watching me trade stocks. And I hope everybody makes lots of money. Okay, so I'm gonna um, head out, and I hope y'all have a good day. Bye!